How to share Instagram story to WhatsApp status. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share an Instagram story that you've posted to your WhatsApp status. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. So to get started, simply open up Instagram and you just want to select your profile icon so that you can view the story that you want to send or share to your WhatsApp status. Once the story is open, select send in the bottom right. And then all you want to do is select WhatsApp. So it'll open up this right here, and all you need to do is select My Status. And as you can see, it's going to share a link to your story actually on Instagram. So if you wanted to share it so that people go to your Instagram, this is how you would do that. You would select Send, and then when they select your status, it'll take them to Instagram. Now, if that's not what you wanted, if you wanted to actually share the video, audio, or picture on your story to your status, select the X right here, and then we'll go back to Instagram. What you want to do is select share right there and then WhatsApp. This will then open up the WhatsApp app and it brings the actual story over as a status. From here, we can select status at the bottom and you can choose who you want to send it to and share it with. And then all we need to do is select the share icon. And now when we go back to WhatsApp and I go to updates, you can see my status right here. And it's the actual story that I shared on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.